Welcome back to our channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you guys. Today it's called the crane game. Now, how many of you guys ever went to an arcade or somewhere fun like Chuck E. Cheese or whatnot, and they had this little crane where you got to drop the claw and it grabs something? Well, we're going to create a pre-E version of that game, so I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy yourself. When you guys have your claw ready to go, what you're going to need to do is have a bucket or some sort of area where that's going to be like your target, or where you're going to drop the items off. One side will be the items you're going to collect as if it's in the box of the claw game, and then you're gonna have to carry it over with your item, with your claw, and then drop them off. If the item falls before it gets inside of the bucket, then it does not count. You have to put it right back into the pile. So the goal is to do this in 1 minute, see how many items you can collect in 1 minute using your new claw. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go and try it out. Here we go. I'm gonna start the game in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Try to grab this animal's arm here. Again, you can use anything you have, stuffed animals, maybe you have whatever you guys have at home, definitely use to play this game. It's really fun, okay? So far I have one item. Oh, that one came undone. Leg.
Yeah, I saw that.
Try the fin. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, you try the ball. Oh. All right, that's 2. Time, Jordan.
1.
Alright, so my highest score was 2. Hope you guys can beat me. Drop a comment below. What was your score? How did you do? How did the activity go for you? So, hope you guys enjoyed this game, and I look forward to next time. Take care. Jordan's going to take on the challenge. He's going to do the 1 minute crane game challenge. Here we go. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, my grand total was 2 items, so not as easy as it looks, huh, Jordan? What do you guys think? Do you think Jordan's gonna beat me? Drop a comment below. Different approach. He's trying to scoop it, and then he's gonna try to grab it. We're at 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.